Today I'm working on the E92. Sorry for my hair. I've just been doing some stuff here and there, but we're gonna get working on finishing some of the stuff for the air suspension. I took off the wheels just to fix some stuff. There's nothing that really needs to be talked about here, just to fix some stuff on there and clean it up a little bit, but not really anything that has to do with the air suspension. I still have to fix this part. Sorry for the dirtiness. Trash hasn't passed by yet, and I have to take all of these boxes of pizza and delivery and stuff out. But yes, so all I have here, well, this is the strut that goes in here. This is still the stock strut in there, as you can see the coil. Yeah, so this is what's delaying everything, which I already have somebody to remove it. It's super stuck in there and I couldn't move it at all. So it's all tight in there. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is take care of the part that I had issues with, which I'm gonna show you in a minute what it was. Oh, I'm gonna show you right now anyways what it is that I'm having trouble with. Let me just push the wheel out of the way. Alright, I know I have a lot of mess here, but it's because I'm still trying to finish some stuff. So here it's the interior and here is the center console. Now the trouble I had is with air leaking from the backs, because the tank, even though it has no air pressure there, is working perfectly fine. There's no issues with that. It just air stays in the tank and it stays there for a while. So the tank is working fine. And here's what I did. I actually had to buy these 1/8 connectors here, pushing connectors. And these ones, if you want to know where I got them, I'll leave the link in the description. You guys can find it there. I also bought some extra 1/8 line so it can connect to the manifold and show the pressure in here. But yeah, what was happening is that they were bending on an L in a way too sharply. They were leaking air and getting cut, so I had to trim them, put these pushing connectors, and then I had to buy some elbows, some L or elbow connectors. Let me show you guys. This one's here, because they were bending too much on where you see it bends like an L. The 1/8 were bending too much, so I had to buy these new connectors. Got them at Bag Riders. So yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and do today, put them in, test it, and make sure no air is dropping out. Alright guys, just started the engine, plugged the battery in and everything. And here you can see the tank is filling up with air. Should be around 170 psi. So we're gonna let it wait. Once we go ahead and do that, we put air on the bags and make sure everything is working, and we should be good to go. Alright guys, so I just did fix the leakage and they seem pretty steady. This has not moved at all, nor does that one. And the tank is just filling up again. But if it is like that, that means we're golden, brother. That means we're golden. With the air suspension is good. And now what I have to do is put everything back together. And as I said, we're golden. I'm gonna leave it until like that. I'm gonna let it run for about an hour just to make sure. And yeah, so I'll be right back with you guys. But Once this is now that this is complete, such a relief, man. And I just have to fix the strut over there, which you guys saw seals the coil. I gotta get that nut broken and we'll be good to go, baby. So let's just let it wait. It's 160. It's gotta be like the line under 180, which is about 175, which is at the pressure that the tank stops at. So it's gonna... Alright guys, so here's what's an update right now. It's been almost an hour plus, and let me show you. So this one on the right stayed the same, has not changed at all. On the left side, the white one has moved a little bit, but that's the straw that's missing in there. It's outside, it's pushed down, it doesn't really matter much there. So what I'm gonna go ahead and take care of now is finishing up some touches on the car, so I can go ahead and get everything done. I'm gonna go ahead and turn off the car, put all of this back together, and then once that's done, fill it up with air again, because it's gonna get disconnected with air the bags, but it's gonna be fine. And once that's done, I'm gonna go ahead and put this down the ground, and then be ready for the next chapter. Alright guys, interior center console is back together. I just have to put the shift lever here, but I'm gonna leave it loose for now. Connect the battery once again, put the air in it, test it for 30 minutes, and I'll be right back. Final test. This is the drop or keep it on jacks until I fix it. So turn it on. Okay, ignition, and then let's give it power. All right, everything's on. Gauges are good. They're a little bit lifted, which I'm okay with. It's no big deal for me. Fans just kicked in. Then we're gonna go here. All right, and put it on 80 psi once again. Actually, I'm gonna kick it up a little bit more higher and wait for a minute there. I'm gonna leave it on idle and get in the passenger side here and just hope it stays where it's supposed to. This is slightly bit above 80. This is just under, just slightly above 80, which is fine. The wheels on it, and everything should be good to go. The airbags are fine. There's no problem with that. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put the wheels in there. We're good to go. Alright guys, I just dropped the car down. As I said, this side, the front right, you see the strut right here? Let me show you guys. I don't know if you guys catch this previously on the video, but there it is. There is the front. That's coils, but everywhere else around the car, it's bags. So, front left, it's gonna get changed soon. Alright? But, are you guys ready? I'm gonna drop the car down, sinking, car is on. I'm gonna drop the car down. You guys ready? Be ready for this, alright? 1, 2. Oh boy! Hot boy status, look at that. Look at that, drop down, boys. Woo! Who's a doctor here, boy? Ooh, doctor. Maybe not teach style doctor, but still a doctor. You look at the front. Ooh, hot boy status. You can see, I gotta fix the interior, clean it up, wash the car finally. But it's hot boy. Hot boy. Tank just kicked in to fill up the air, but we're good though. We're good now. I'm gonna turn off the car because we're good here. I just have to clean this entire garage because there's a new thing coming here soon. That's gonna be part of this series here. And I got all the parts for the E36 now. They're on here, ready to get installed. And all we have to do is put them together. But the E92 air suspension finally is complete. And now you have to change the front left strut, the driver's strut, which is fine. But oh, hot boy, I'm happy. And now that we're done like that, let's air out. To finish the video, let's finish with an air out vehicle. There's a bunch of trash in my garage which I have to throw out. But let's go. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Hot boy status. Alright guys, now I said I was gonna make another extra video. I don't know if you guys can see me. Let me just lay next to my vehicle. Alright guys, I said I was gonna make an extra video for this week. It's not gonna be this week, it's gonna be next week. You're gonna get an extra video. It's gonna be awesome. So you guys stay tuned for that. As well as I will announce in the second video of next week the winner of the $150. I know I've been teasing it too much, but I haven't had any time. Now I have the time that this is complete, which was the biggest issue I have right now. This is done. We're gonna get it in the car wash very soon. But hot boy, hot boy, hot boy. Alright guys, see you next time. Stay tuned for the next video. Subscribe, like, and comment. Peace.
Said I pull up, get it buck in the ice cream truck. Your sister driving while I pipe your mama in the trunk. Whip full of birds and they all trying to cluck. And they treating all my wood like a fucking woodchuck. How much wood could a woodchuck chuck when Young Gravy had a threesome with your family in the truck? That's nuts. Whoa. Booty thunder struck.